Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ConvertKit forms to grow email lists fast, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your ConvertKit account. Once logged in, navigate to the Forms section from the dashboard. Click the Create Form button located at the top right corner. Choose between an inline form, modal form, or a slide-in form based on your preference. Select your desired template for the form you want to create. Customize the form by editing the text, colors, and design to match your branding. Add any necessary fields such as name and email to capture the information you need. Once you're satisfied with the customization, click on the Publish button. A pop-up will appear with the options to share or embed your form. Choose the Embed option to get the code needed for your website. Copy the generated HTML code. Next, head over to your website's dashboard, whether it's WordPress, Wix, or another platform. In your website's editor, locate the area where you want the form to appear. Paste the HTML code into the appropriate section of your website. Save your changes and preview your site to ensure the form displays correctly. Test the form by submitting a sample entry to confirm that it connects to your ConvertKit account. Consider integrating your form with other tools like landing pages or email sequences for maximum effectiveness. Lastly, continue to promote your new form through social media and your network to grow your email list even faster. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.